I want to ask you about the cough syrup because my daughter, she's 12 years old and she's suffering from a bad cough exactly, and then at the night she's not able to sleep for a moment. So please give me some medicine for a relief so that she may get a quick relief because she's suffering a lot. So
Good afternoon, ma'am.
yes, good afternoon, Tanya.
So, how is your? I think it's a afternoon time. Have you take your lunch?
Yeah, right now I had my lunch and I just came and sat here to see who's there available for the conversation. Yeah, and you were there. And it's so, I mean, glad to meet you. And every time I love to connect with you because you are such a good speaker.
I'm also love to connect with you
Oh, thank
because
you so
you
much.
have
Okay.
vast knowledge of grammar. You have
Oh,
vast knowledge of grammar. Yes,
I, I just keep on talking and I never care about the grammar rules. I don't know if I make mistakes or I'm correct, but I go speaking. Yes.
and I really love your passion.
Oh, so I have a great passion, to learn this language. If somebody asks me, from all the languages in the world, which language you like the most, I won't answer for my mother tongue. No, I'll just go for the English. I love this language too much. Yeah.
Hmm. So, for my viewers, can you give a little bit introduction because I know all about yourself,
Yeah.
but for my
Yes.
viewers.
Okay. I'm Alka, connecting you from Lucknow. I'm
Hmm.
a postgraduate, and my hobbies are listening to music and reading. Yeah, that's about.
And right now, are you in Noida?
Yes, I'm at my son's place in Noida. Only like 15 days back, I had come here. Yeah. And now Sunday, I'll be going back to Lucknow.
Okay. So
Yes.
today we will do a role play. Are you ready for it?
Yes, yes. Yeah, you can give me any. Yeah, I'll try to. I'll try to play a role play. Yes. On what you are playing, like, yeah.
Okay. Suppose you are a mother of 10-year-old daughter and
Okay,
I am
right.
a chemist. Okay, I am a chemist and you want a cough syrup for your daughter. So how
Okay.
will you ask me for cough syrup and what will be the conversation? So we will
Okay.
do this activity today.
Yes, yes. Okay, yeah. I'll try my best. Yes.
Okay. So your time is right now start.
Yes.
Okay.
You can start. Yes, you have to start. No, no, sorry.
Okay,
I.
okay.
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 Anybody. Yes.
Okay, I can start. Yeah, do you want
Okay.
something? Do you want something?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. I have come for the doctor's prescription I'm having. And I want to ask you for the cough syrup because my daughter, she's 12 years old and she's suffering from a bad cough exactly. And then at the night, she's not able to sleep for a moment. So please give me some medicine for a relief so that she may get a quick relief because she's suffering a lot. So,
Hmm.
yeah. And
Show
then
me your
Dr. Sharma,
prescription, please. Okay, okay.
yes. So my Dr. Sharma, he has prescribed me. I just been to
Okay.
his clinic yesterday evening. So he prescribed me these
Mm-hmm.
medicine, and so for that to have a medicine for her, I've come to your store. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and give me
Okay,
some
show me
quick,
your
quick.
prescription. Yes, yes. Show me your
Yeah,
prescription so that I can check the
yes,
availability of that cough syrup.
yes. So here it is. Yes.
Okay. Sorry, ma'am, this cough syrup is not right now available in my shop. But yes, I have alternative cough syrup. If you want, then I can give you. Do you want?
Yes, you can give any like substitute of that medicine if you have. Okay,
Yes.
you can give me, yeah. So because she's suffering a lot, and I can't see her like she's in so much of trouble, and I can't see her
Mm-hmm.
suffering a lot. So I need some medicine. You give me, and I'll have the answer. You give me today, and tomorrow I'll ask my doctor if this medicine is okay or not. Okay.
Uh, Sorry to say, but I want to know how old are your daughters?
Yeah, she's 12 years.
Okay, because in children's case, I have to check the like
Right.
children's syrup is different from adults.
Yes. Definitely, you have to check it first and then give it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Because
this is a
sometimes,
Benadryl cough syrup. So this is a
but
Benadryl cough syrup you can give your daughter.
okay, but Benadryl, if she's feels like drowsy or something like that. Will
Yes,
she
in
be
some
drowsy?
cases, generally it is good for the children, but in some cases they can feel drowsy and sometimes they can face some stomach problem also. If this
Okay.
problem is increasing, rapidly, then you should go immediately to
Yeah.
your doctor.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
So you can
And the
you can give me phone number behind the prescription paper. You write your phone number for me for my convenience. If something
hmm,
happens like side effect, she's not able to bear, then I can ask you in the meantime
okay,
before the
okay,
doctor will say, yeah.
okay. This is my card. You can put it in your bag, and after that, if whenever you feel like you need a conversation with me, then you can call me.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yes, yes, thank you.
And
Okay.
like how quantity is written on the pack.
Okay, right. Okay.
Yes.
So I should give her
So
like with a, yeah, is it mentioned that with a warm water or with normal water I have to give her the medicine? Can you tell me please?
yes, you can give this medicine with lukewarm water.
Okay, fine. Yeah, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. I
Is she
hope she
also
gets,
feeling some fever also?
yeah, mild, very mild fever. But yeah, sometimes what happens with the cough, yeah, she's like her breath, she has heavy breath with the cough. Only this thing she's facing, and a very mild fever occasionally. Yeah, she has.
Okay. She is
But I
feeling, I
thought
think,
that
congestion also. She is feeling congestion
congestion,
also.
yes, yes, lot
Hmm.
of congestion, yes.
So you should give this medicine proper interval, and after that you should check she is taking fluid or not, and she should take rest.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
So, yeah, can I send her to school? I think it's not possible,
No, no, no. You should not
Yeah,
send her school. She should take proper rest at home.
okay, thank you. Okay.
So it was the role play of the chemist and a
Yes,
client who were
yes.
asking for
You
a good
know,
cough syrup for her
yeah,
daughter.
these conversations are so helpful, For the India, these are the common questions when we go to a doctor. And so, we should be aware, like how to ask and how to answer. So this is a very good
Mm.
way of learning. Yeah.
And you have edited some good lines also in your conversation, like Mr. Sharma.
Yeah, any doctor there. Automatically slipped out of my tongue, with any doctor. Yeah.
Mm. And
But
if we are doing these kind of conversation like patient, doctor, and like a reception, hospital reception, there are
right,
so many,
right.
conversations.
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
And
Doctor
these
patient.
conversations are really very helpful in daily life.
Yes, yes. These are the daily these type of conversations we are seeing in daily in our life. I must say. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So anything else, if you want, you can share with us, like good
Yeah.
vocabulary, anything else.
Yeah. We can talk on any vocabulary, any idiom. Actually, I'm not prepared, but whatever will come in my mind, I will answer you. You can ask me to
No,
frame
no,
this. No, no. So
I
what do
will
you do?
not ask.
No, no. What do you
I
do?
will not ask. Okay, now I'm but just sharing some good vocabulary, or you can say
Yes.
proverb also, like
Yes.
हुक्का पानी बंद करना,
To ostracize,
to
to
ostracize
ostracize
someone.
somebody.
Yes, yes, like
Yeah.
बहिष्कृत करना.
Yeah.
And second is born with a silver spoon in the mouth.
Yeah. Yeah. Is that
Yes,
that in the family which a child is born, and they're very very extremely rich they are. So every facility
yes,
is from the very childhood a child is getting. Yeah,
yes.
yeah. All
हर
the
चमकने
luxury.
वाली चीज, हम्म,
Yeah,
हर चमकने वाली चीज सोना नहीं होती. All
yeah.
glitters are not gold.
This is not old. Yeah. So we can't we should not judge from the outward appearances of anything until we use it. Like anything is there, and it is with the persons also. We cannot judge from the outward appearance. Like somebody is very beautiful, we can say that he is so nice, she is so nice. Until we know the behavior and conduct of the person, we can't see. So outward appearances are sometimes deceptive. Yeah.
And tickled dash pink, I think you know.
Tickle,
Tickled dash pink. Tickled. Tickled dash pink.
tickled as pink.
Yes. Yes.
The color pink, the color pink.
Yes. Yes. Tickled dash pink.
No, I never gone through this. No.
It's okay.
What is
Feeling very happy or elated. Like you are getting a new car from your son. That time you feel like just tickled dash pink.
oh, my son really bought last week only, he bought a new car. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Any other? Do you have? Then you can share.
Like, uh, if you talk about the idioms, okay, a few idioms, an apple, an apple, an apple is someone's eye.
It means he is beloved to me. Like my daughter is an apple of my eye.
Yeah. And a bone of contention.
Bone and contention means झगड़े की जड़. This property is bone and contention of between two brothers.
Yeah, bone of contention. Exactly, exactly. And
Yes.
today say that building is in a ramshackle position. Ramshackle,
Mhm.
RAMSHACKLE. Suppose a building is in a ramshackle condition. It is a
Mhm.
ramshackle condition. आप अपने दिमाग से सोच सकते हो. It is in ramshackle condition. It's in damaging condition. खराब हो चुकी
Ramshackle
है.
means गिरने वाली पोजीशन में है. कभी भी ये गिर सकती है. डिस्ट्रक्ट हो
Yes.
सकती है.
Yeah. Right. 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 Okay.
Okay.
You can be like.
And
Yeah. 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 You can ask me.
white elephant. I have
Why?
asked earlier. White elephant. सफेद हाथी. It is an
Again, I
idiom.
forgot. Again, I forgot. Again, I forgot.
Okay, white elephant like you have a old car and the maintenance is very
Oh,
costly.
yeah,
And then
yeah,
you can
yeah.
oh, this old car is just like a white elephant for me.
Yes, correct, correct. Yeah, white. Because I think I noted or not, I don't remember. White
It's
elephant.
okay. It's okay.
No, I should also know before I forget. Before I forget, I should know the meaning. White elephant. Okay. Yeah, good one. Good one, white elephant.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, if with a word, I frame sentence. Okay, if I frame sentence and you can gather the meaning, what I mean to say. Okay. Then
Okay.
language is a one. Suppose language, LANGUID. LANGUID. It is
What is the
language.
meaning?
No, I'm telling you.
Okay.
I'm telling you the sentence. Okay. Like when I fell ill, that time I was not able to get up from my bed. Okay. And I felt I was not able to get up. So what I was not having, हम क्यों नहीं उठ पा रहे थे? Because I
Hmm.
was lacking in, you can tell, I was lacking in, हमें क्या किस कमी की वजह से हम नहीं उठे? Because I was ill, I was on the bed, I was not able to get up from the bed because I was
Willpower.
lacking. Yes,
Willpower.
correct. Yes, correct. Because I was lacking energy, power, everything is okay. So you
Hmm.
yes, you answered very well. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other?
Mm, any other? Any other hazardous, na hazardous.
Hazardous. It means I think problematic.
Yeah, hazardous. I think that is जो हमारे लिए बहुत घातक हो. घातक होता है ना, इसको क्या बोलते हैं in English?
Fatal.
Yeah,
Fatal.
yeah,
Fatal.
yes, fatal. Right. Yeah,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
fatal.
So what do you
Okay.
think? These kind of activity, like we are sharing our knowledge, we are asking some questions. What do you think?
Yeah. When we share this kind of things, on the with the help of this app, what happened? Everything gets into our mind. Okay.
Hmm.
And the viewers and any viewer who goes through this, when he watches a video, and that person is also he can also learn, he or she can learn from this, our conversation. For
Hmm.
us, it is good one, and for the others also who watch this. Okay.
Yes. And it was a
Yeah.
lovely conversation with you again. And I hope you enjoyed a lot.
Yes, definitely. Yes.